Some people will purely just need it because at the moment they may be in some sort of financial desperation, and hence they'll probably say it's going into their cash flow. You might also get some people who turn around and are used to spending it on lifestyle, nice things. We all love to spoil ourselves, and a lot of people do that. One question to ask those people is, if you continue to spend your tax return on your lifestyle every year, have you thought about saving it or saving part of it and putting it away for the future? This could be done in a lot of different tax effective structures. It could be superannuation, paying down their mortgage. It could be also doing some sort of tax effective borrowing. This will enhance the future. They can continue to spoil themselves, just not as much as what they used to. The next thing is, if they get a tax return, is how can we make this better for you next year? So you've received a good refund. Would you like to speak with someone who will actually help you to have a look at tax effective strategies along with investing to give you a better tax return the following year? For those people who have really good investments at the moment, they might have good tax deductions, they might have depreciation, tax deductible interest and costs, and receive a good tax refund. They may be spending that on their lifestyle. This is a complete detriment to what they're trying to do. The full business plan of making sure that they make the most out of their money is to use that tax return and put it back into their investment. A great example of that is someone who bought Telstra shares in the second float when they were over $7. Those people that own those shares would probably see a loss of half the value of the growth of the stock. However, if they had compounded their dividends year on year, they would have a significant amount of Telstra shares. However, a lot of people chose to put the money into their bank account, considering it wasn't very much, and probably spent it at Coles and Woolworths. This way, they don't really see the full effect of their investments. So compounding and reviewing your business wealth plan every year is incredibly important.